It was a rainy, splashy sort of day in Funky Valley. In fact, it hadn't stopped raining for days and days. The hillside had turned soggy. The ditch had turned into a stream. Otter's Brook had turned into a river. And the yard had turned into one big pond. Daphne, the grumpy duck, was trying not to get wet. "Which way are you going?" said Daphne. The other animals were fed up with the rain. "I'm fed up with this rain," said Clara. "So am I," said Buster. The only animal who wasn't worried about the rain was Tinker, the cat. He had found a nice dry spot and was having a lovely sleep, dreaming about a nice game of chase with Millie the mouse. Tinker loved chasing Millie. He played chase with her all his waking hours and dreamt about chasing her all his sleeping hours. Millie had been dreaming about the same game of chase. She loved being chased by Tinker. It was such fun. The animals were still waiting for the rain to stop when suddenly... "Quick!" shouted Horatio. "It's an emergency! Otter's Brook has burst its banks! We're going to be flooded! Don't panic!" But then the farmyard had become a stream, and then a river. "Help, help!" shouted Fleecy as she floated into the farmyard. "Thank you," said Shelley.
"Oh, we're flooded. Quick, you'd all better climb up onto the beam,"
said Tinker. And so the animals climbed up and joined him. "What are we going to do now?" wondered Horatio. "I don't know," answered Tinker. Just then, Hoot arrived. "Oh dear," said Hoot. "We do have a problem. Now, let's see." "Right, this is what we do," said Hoot, and he began to give them all jobs. "Porker, pull up the planks. Horatio, tie the rope. Clara, fetch some nails." "There we are, a boat," said Hoot. "There's no time to lose. All aboard, let's sail to dry land." "I don't want to fall in," said Daphne. "Off we go," said Hoot. "Help, help, 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 help." "What was that?" said Hoot. "Help, help, help."
"Meow! It's Millie!" exclaimed Tinker. "We've left her behind."
"We'll have to try and go back for her," said Hoot. "It's no use," said Buster. "The current is too strong."
"Meow! Wait a minute. I think I can get her,"
said Tinker bravely. Well done, Tinker. "Well done, all of you, especially Tinker," said Hoot. "You're very brave." "Hooray! It stopped raining," said the animals. So that was the day Tinker rescued Millie from the flood and spent the rest of the day chasing her all over Funky Valley. "It's such fun," said Millie.